Hello, ESL teachers! I'm Teacher Meg, and I'm so excited to have you here today. In this lesson, we'll be learning all about my home and my room in Level 2, Unit 6, Lesson 1. Join me, my student Lucy, and our regular puppet characters, Cora Crunch, Marla Mouse, Fixie Fox, and Rusty Ranger, as we explore different rooms in a house, learn new words, and have fun with interactive activities. These friendly puppets are always here to make learning exciting and engaging for our little learners. Are you ready? Let's begin. Good morning. Hi, Lucy. Before we start our lesson, tell me, how are you feeling today?
Let me think.
Look at the feeling balls. Choose how you feel and place it in the gumball machine.
Oh, I see. Excited because I love learning new things.
That's wonderful. And what's else?
I also feel good because I had a great sleep last night.
I see. You are excited and feeling good. That's great to hear, Lucy. Now, let's get started with today's lesson. Today we're going to learn about homes and rooms. Are you ready, Lucy?
Whoa, yes, teacher. I'm ready.
All right. Before we start learning, let's sing a fun song together. It's called My Home and My Room. And guess what? Our puppet friends, Fixie Fox and Cora Crunch, are going to join us.
Yay! I love the puppets.
Me too. Okay, let's sing.
What are the rooms in your home? In your home, in your home. What are the rooms in your home? Kitchen, living room, dining room. What are the rooms in your home? In your home, in your home. What are the rooms in your home? Bedrooms and bathrooms. What do you see in your home? In your home, in your home. What do you see in your home? Walls, windows, doors. What do you see in your home? In your home, in your home. What do you see in your home? Rugs, floors, and bookshelves too. What are the rooms in your home? In your home, in your home. What are the rooms in your home? Kitchen, living room, dining room.
That was a great song, teacher.
Indeed. You sang beautifully, Lucy. Now, let's start with something fun. Look at this picture. What do you think it is?
Is it a house?
Yes, you're right, Lucy. It's a house. Well done. Now let's learn more about homes. All right, Lucy. Let's play a guessing game. Look at this picture. What do you see?
I think it looks like a home.
Great thinking. Let's click the question marks to reveal the answer.
Oh, it's a house.
That's right. This is a house. A house is a place where people live. Let's say it together. House. Awesome. Now, let's read the sentence. Can you read it for me?
This is a house.
Fantastic reading, Lucy. Let's try another one. Get ready to guess. Look at this picture. What do you see?
It looks small and round. Maybe it's a home for animals?
Good guess. Let's click the question marks and find out.
Oh, it's a nest. For a bird teacher, right?
That's right. This is a nest. Birds live in nests. Let's say it together. Nest. Perfect. Now, let's read the sentence together. Can you try?
The bird lives in a nest.
Great job, Lucy. Now, let's move on to our last picture. Look closely. What do you see?
It looks big. Maybe many people live there?
Nice thinking. Let's click and see.
Oh, it's an apartment.
That's right. This is an apartment. Many people live in apartments. Let's say it together.
Apartment.
Awesome. Now, let's read the sentence.
I live in an apartment.
Excellent reading, Lucy. Now that we've learned house, nest, and apartment, let's practice using them in sentences. Are you ready? And let's practice our new words. I'll show you a sentence, and you can drag the correct word into the blank. Are you ready? Look at this picture. This blank is blue. What do you think is the answer?
This, house is blue. This house is blue.
Great job, Lucy. Let's try the next one. What do you see in this picture? I see a blank.
I see a nest.
Perfect. Last one. Where does your friend live? My friend lives in blank.
My friend lives in an apartment. My friend lives in an apartment.
Awesome work, Lucy. You're doing amazing. Let's keep going. Now let's practice some sentences. Look, Lucy. Cora Crunch has a question for you. She's asking, where do you live?
Where do I live?
Say, I live in a house.
I live in a house. I live in a house.
Great job. Now let's try another one. Oh, here's another question from Cora. Where do birds live? Say, birds live in nests.
Birds live in nests.
Awesome. Now let's say it one more time.
Birds live in nests.
You're doing fantastic, Lucy. Let's practice some sentence patterns. I'll ask a question and you'll answer in full sentences. Can you help me choose the correct picture and word to complete the sentence?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. All right, let's get started. Look at the picture. Where do birds live? Is it 1, 2, or 3?
I know. It's number 2, nest. Birds live in nests.
That's right. Great job. Now, let's try another one. Look at this picture. Where do you live? Is it picture number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
Let's see. Number 1 is a house. Number 2 is a cup? What? I can't fit in there? Number 3 is a nest? Oh, silly me. I'm not a bird. Number 4 is a shoe. And number 5 is an apartment. Oh, I know. The answer is 1. A house. I live in the house, teacher.
Correct. I live in the house. Well done, Lucy. Now let's try one more. Where do you think Cora Crunch lives?
Cora Crunch lives in an apartment because I already live in a house.
Haha, great. You're doing amazing, Lucy. Now it's time to talk. Let's have a little chat, Lucy. If you could choose, which would you like to live in? A house, a nest, or an apartment? And why?
I would like to live in a house because it's big and cozy. I can have my own room and maybe even a backyard to play in.
That's a great choice, Lucy. Houses are so cozy and spacious. As for me, if I had to choose, I think I'd live in an apartment. It's so convenient and close to everything. Shops, parks, and restaurants. It would be easy to get around.
Wow, that sounds nice too. I bet it would be fun to be so close to all the shops and parks. I could walk to get ice cream.
Yes, apartments are nice for that. You did an amazing job today, Lucy. I'm so proud of you. So let's learn some sight words. Let's look at the first one. This word is take. Can you say take?
Take.
Can you read the sentence with me? Take the book.
Sure. Take the book.
From the shelf.
From the shelf.
Great job. Now say it again.
Take the book from the shelf.
Well done. The word take means to pick up or grab something. For example, if you take a book from the shelf, you are picking it up and holding it. We use take when we move something from one place to another.
Oh, like when I take my toys to my room.
Wonderful. Now, let's look at the next word. This word is then. Say it with me. Then. Let's read the sentence together. Eat your dinner.
Eat your dinner.
First, and then.
First, and then.
You can have sweets.
You can have sweets. Eat your dinner first, and then you can have sweets.
Awesome. Then shows what happens next, like Finish your dinner, then have sweets.
Got it. Like, I will do my homework, then I will play.
That's a great sentence, Lucy. Now let's move on to our next set of words. This word is may. Again, say
May.
Let's read it together. You may
You may
go outside after finishing your homework.
go outside after finishing your homework. You may go outside after finishing your homework.
May is used to ask or give permission, like the sentence we read. You may go outside after your homework. Next word is where. Again, say
Were.
where. Well done. Now let's read the sentence. They were happy
They were happy
to see the rainbow.
to see the rainbow. They were happy to see the rainbow.
Fantastic! You did an amazing job learning these sight words today. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Teacher Meg. Learning sight words is fun.